Hi, this is Erica Richardson of MindYourTruckingBusiness.com, and I want to go over what you will learn in the full video tutorial titled How to Complete Your Quarterly International Fuel Tax Return. And you probably know this is usually called IFTA. International Fuel Tax Agreement is what that stands for. So now, what is IFTA and where does it apply? The International Fuel Tax Agreement is an agreement between the lower 48 states of the U.S. and the Canadian provinces to simplify the reporting of fuel used by motor carriers that operate in more than one jurisdiction. So this is for you if you are an interstate carrier. Please note, Alaska, Hawaii, and the Canadian territories do not participate. An operating carrier with IFTA receives an IFTA license, which is a piece of paper. It's valid from January 1st to December 31st of each year. And 2 decals, one for each side of the qualifying vehicle that you're operating. The carrier files a quarterly fuel tax return. This return is used to determine the tax that the carrier owes or is owed. When you order the video tutorial, you will learn how to complete and file your return. It is yours to keep forever. So, who is required to file an IFTA return? This return is required for motor vehicles used, designed, or maintained for transportation of persons or property, and having 2 axles and a gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR, or registered gross vehicle weight in excess more than 26,000 pounds, and or having 3 or more axles no matter what the weight is. Also, if this vehicle is used in combination when the weight of such combination exceeds 26,000 pounds gross vehicle or registered gross vehicle weight. Exceptions exist for recreational vehicles, RVs, such as motorhomes, pickup trucks with attached campers, and buses when used exclusively for personal pleasure by an individual. Some states have their own exemptions that often apply to farm vehicles or government vehicles. So getting started, what information will you need? All you need to complete your IFTA return is you definitely need a paper version or online access to your IFTA account. This can usually be found on your state's Department of Revenue. We're in Georgia, so our account is on the Georgia Tax Center, GTC website. You also need all of your fuel receipts for each state that you traveled through during the previous 3 months. Not all states, just the ones that you went through. Okay? So if you didn't go through California, of course, you're not going to have a receipt for California. Also, you need a calculator to add your numbers together. I use my cell phone. Whatever adds it will work. Once you have this information, you're ready to proceed. So now, just so you know, the online IFTA quarterly form looks like this for Georgia, but your state will look similar. It may have a different layout, but it will have the same wording so that you know how to follow along with this video. It's super simple. Now, very important, when to file your quarterly IFTA return. Here's the breakdown of the months that you're going to report and when they are due. So first quarter, which is January, February, March, is due by April 30th. Second quarter, which is April, May, June, is due by July 31st. Third quarter, July, August, September, is due by October 31st. And fourth quarter, which is October, November, December, is due by January 31st. We want to avoid late fees, so don't wait till the last minute. Get them filed, paid for, be done with it. Okay? Here in Georgia, the late fee is $50. I'm not sure where it is where you are, but let's not give them any more money than necessary. So, how to calculate your IFTA miles. This is just to give you an idea of what your form will look like. When you purchase the full video tutorial, you'll see, I actually show you our IFTA return and actual return that I did. So you'll see the states and all the information. But this is how you calculate your IFTA miles by the state. You don't have to calculate it by the month. You just have to make sure the months are the correct months. So you can't do December, January, February. It has to be January, February, and March. Okay, well, that's just to give you an idea of what we're going to cover in the full video tutorial, how to complete your quarterly IFTA tax return. If you'd like to contact us with any questions or concerns, feel free. Visit our website, mindyourtruckingbusiness.com. You can also email us, mindyourtruckingbiz@gmail.com. You can connect with us on Facebook with our page or group, Mind Your Trucking Business, Twitter, MY Trucking Biz. And if you go to the website, go to the Contact Us page, and you'll see all of the social media icons there. If you'd like to purchase the full video, go to our website, and on the products page, you'll see the link right there. You'll see this video again, and go for it. If you have any questions, we offer support. We also offer other ways to help you get this done. I can walk you through your return, or we can do your return for you. We offer 3 easy solutions, so whichever works for you best. Until next time, be blessed and be safe.